All right, when I say you never know what to expect at the Red Barn, something just pulled in the driveway, and I don't know what this is, but my friend Rich is about to tell us. This apparently is something called a Tommykaira. Rich, tell me, what in the hell is this?
Yeah, I get that question a lot. So Tommykaira, it's a Japanese designer tuner, and designed this car. I think is around a 1999, 1998, and had a, I think it was Brooklyn's race car manufacturer. Now they're defunct, and in the UK build them all. And I think almost all of them are right-hand drive. I never saw a left-hand drive one, but and I just always looking on the internet whatever's unusual, and I saw this, so I bought it.
Oh my God! So it's about the size of a Miata, but it's got like no overhang on it.
Well, yeah, it's about the size of a Lotus Elise, I think.
Lotus Elise. What does it weigh?
About 1,500 pounds.
1,500 pounds, and it's a Nissan inline
Nissan,
4.
I think 20. What is it? A 20 something. It's about 190 horsepower. It's been massaged. It came with motorcycle carbs, Keyine, big 40s or something like that, and that wore out. So I put 45 Webers on there.
Nice. And this is so cool. I've never seen one of these. I've never even heard one.
Nicely proportioned. I'm a big guy in proportions, and it is just got the right proportions.
Everybody knows I love mechanical stuff. I love that linkage. That is hysterical.
Yeah.
Crazy fabricated everything. Wow.
Yeah.
Look at this. This is ridiculous. How does it, is it easy to open up the engine lid? Let's see what this thing is.
Yeah.
A Tommykaira. It must go pretty good. It weighs nothing.
It goes pretty good, yeah. It goes pretty good. It's very stiff.
Oh, look at this. You got to take the wing off.
Just got to tilt it back.
Race car.
Yeah.
Because race car. And this is like go to the Nissan dealer and buy parts?
Well, for the engine, I think.
Well, there you go. That's what I mean.
Yeah, everything else.
Oh, look at that. It's just a set of Webers and really straightforward. And what's it, I mean, is it ridiculous to drive around in? Is it like
very comfortable to drive around.
Is it?
It's a little torquey, but
and it looks like it's got a roof too.
It was supposed to, and they lost it in shipping.
Oh, that sucks.
Yeah. So
Willwood brakes. It's absolutely, it's tiny.
The cabin has a lot of space.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Room, so, and a tall person can easily fit in there.
Oh yeah, no, look at that. It's a ton of room.
And
wow.
I love being close to the front.
Oh yeah.
You know, like the 914s.
Right. It's got to be
driving view.
Great taillights, single center exhaust. That's very sexy. What I like about light cars, teeny little tires is all you need. There's something to be said for that. Wow, this is super cool. Well, Rich, thank you very much. A Tommykaira at the Red Barn. Dude, you just never know what to expect at the Red Barn. Man, a Tommykaira. Who would ever thought?
Yeah.
All right, Rich, see you soon.
All right, thanks, Chris.
Take care. Is that the coolest thing ever? Oh my God. I think I'll sell all my cars and try to buy one of those.
Adios.
Take care. I don't know, he might win. A Tommykaira at the Red Barn. You just never know.